457B versus Gold IRA, which builds wealth faster? Planning for retirement often comes down to one big question: 457B versus Gold IRA, which builds wealth faster? Both options can help grow your savings, but they work in very different ways. A 457B relies on market-based growth, while a Gold IRA focuses on protecting value during uncertain times. Understanding how each one builds wealth makes it easier to choose the right strategy for your retirement goals. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. What is a 457B? A 457B is a tax-advantaged retirement plan commonly offered to government and nonprofit employees. Contributions are made with pre-tax income, allowing your investments to grow through compounding over time. Key benefits of a 457B: contributions lower your taxable income. Earnings grow tax-deferred. No early withdrawal penalty after leaving your job. Higher contribution limits than many plans. Growth tied mainly to stocks and mutual funds. Because it invests in the market, a 457B has strong long-term growth potential. What is a Gold IRA? A Gold IRA is a self-directed retirement account that holds physical gold instead of paper assets. It is designed to preserve wealth and reduce risk during inflation or economic stress. Key benefits of a Gold IRA: holds IRS-approved physical gold. Protects against inflation and currency risk. Less volatile than stocks. Offers long-term stability. Includes storage and custodian fees. Gold IRAs focus more on safety than fast growth. Which builds wealth faster? 457B growth potential. Historically, stock-based investments grow faster over time. In stable markets, a 457B often delivers higher returns due to compounding and equity exposure. Gold IRA growth potential. Gold usually grows slower but performs well during market downturns. It helps protect purchasing power rather than rapidly increasing wealth. 457B versus Gold IRA. In most normal market conditions, a 457B typically builds wealth faster. However, a Gold IRA plays an important role in protecting your savings when markets decline or inflation rises. Many investors choose both, a 457B for long-term growth, a Gold IRA for stability and diversification. If you're adjusting your strategy, learning how to transfer 457B to Gold IRA rollover without penalty can help you protect your retirement savings while staying tax efficient. The best choice depends on your goals, timeline, and risk tolerance, but understanding the difference helps you build a stronger, more secure retirement plan. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.